Yaksok. Yaksok. This is a Korean noun which means promise. Again, yaksok means promise. Next word is pyeol. Again, it's pyeol. And this is a Korean noun which means star. Again, pyeol means star. Next word is pabo. Again, it's pabo. And this is actually an offensive word because it is used to say dumb in Korean. Next word is haru. Again, it's haru. This is a Korean noun which means day. Again, haru means day. Next word is torawa. Again, it's torawa. This is used to say come back. Again, torawa means come back. Next word is 오늘도. Again, it's 오늘도. And this is used to say today too. Again, 오늘도 means today too. Next word is agi. Again, it's agi. And this is a Korean noun which means babe or baby. Again, agi means baby. Next word is nado. Again, it's nado. And this is used to say me too in Korean. Again, nado means me too. Next word is 좋아요. Again, it's 좋아요. And this is used to say I like you. Again, 좋아요 is used to say I like you. Next word is 콜. Again, it's 콜. And this is a loan word which is similar to call or deal in Korean. Again, 콜 means call or deal.